Good morning, students. Today we will discuss chapter rational numbers. Rational numbers. We know that numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, but we don't know rational numbers. We Now we shall discuss rational numbers. First of all, what is the definition of rational number? Anybody? Okay. ठीक है. Now I am telling definition of rational number. Definition of rational number. A number which is in the form p by q not equals to 0, where p and q are integers, is called a rational number. A number which is in the form p by q q not equals to 0, where p and q are integers, is called a rational number. Is called a rational number. Or understand? Okay. Example: 2 by 3, 5 by 3, 7 by 9, and so on. These are the positive rational numbers. Even though minus 2 by 3, minus 5 by 3, minus 7 by 9 are also negative rational numbers. We are also using here integers. Observe, p, q are integers. 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer. Then 2 by 3 is also a rational number. 5 is an integer, 3 is an integer. Then 5 by 3 is also a rational number. Here negative integer, minus 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer. So minus 2 by 3 is also a rational number. Here we are also observing q not equals to 0. Why sir q not equals to 0? Why? Actually reason क्या है? p by q, p upon q is equals to 0, then p by 0 is not defined, undefined value. So we are also using q not equals to 0. When q is equals to 0, p upon 0 is undefined value. So q not equals to 0 here. Okay, are you understand? Yes, very good. Now properties of rational numbers. What are the properties? First property, closure property. Second property, commutative property. Third property, associative property. Fourth one, distributive law. These are the most important properties. First, we will be discuss closure property. Now, closure property under addition plus. We can take we can take any two rational numbers, any two rational numbers, two rational numbers, any two rational numbers, 5 by 9, 4 by 9, any two rational numbers, 5 by 9, 4 by 9. Now adding these two numbers, 5 by 9 plus 4 by 9, 5 plus 4, 9, very good. 9 by 9 is 1, is a rational number. So closed property applicable under addition, under addition. Now subtraction, under subtraction, under subtraction, simply we can take here negative. Now here 5 minus 4 is 1, so 1 by 9 is a rational number. Simply we can use this. 5 by 9 minus 4 by 9 is equals to 1 by 9 is a rational number. Next, under multiplication. Okay. We are so using now here symbol multiplication symbol. 5 4s are 20, 9 9s are 81. So 20 by 81 is a rational number. Are you observing? Now under division, under division. Now here you can use symbol division symbol. Now here everybody knows, here observe A by B upon C by D. We shall get A by B into D by C. So here 5 by 9 into 9 by 4, 9 9 cancel, 5 by 4 is a rational number. What we are observing here, closed property is applicable under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Are understand? Yes sir. Wait. Now we shall discuss important property, commutative property, commutative property. Actually commutative property क्या है? A plus B is equals to B plus A. दोनों साइड इक्वल होना चाहिए. And under multiplication A into B is equals to B into A. दोनों साइड इक्वल होना चाहिए. Now we are also checking under addition. We can take any two rational numbers. We can take any two rational numbers. Two rational numbers. Same numbers. We can take same numbers. 5 by 9, 3 by or 2 by 9. 5 by 9 comma 2 by 9. Now we will be check under plus. We can take any two numbers 5 by 9 comma 2 by 9. What we have observing here, A plus B is equals to B plus A. First of all you can check first 5 by 9 plus 2 by 9. How much you are getting? 7 by 9. Yes. Now we interchange these numbers. 2 by 9 plus 5 by 9. So what we have observed, 2 plus 5, 7 by 9. दोनों equal. So what we have observed here, commutative property is applicable under addition. Now subtraction. Now subtraction. Now same here. 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. How much? Yes, very good. 3 by 9. 3 by 9 means 1 by 3. 2 by 9 minus 5 by 9. So how much? Minus 3 by 9. So minus 1 by 3. These are equal or not equal? Not equal. So what we have observed here? Yes. Commutative property is not applicable under subtraction. Under subtraction. Now multiplication. Now multiplication. We can take any two rational numbers same way. 5 by 9, 2 by 9. Now we are also using symbol, multiplication symbol. 5 by 9 into 2 by 9, 2 by 9 into 5 by 9. Just we are also observing here 5 by 9 into 2 by 9, 10 by 9 9s are 81. ठीक है, 10 by 81 दोनों equal. So what we have observed here, commutative property is applicable under, yes, multiplication. Next, division. Division. Same way, 5 by 9 divided by 2 by 9, 2 by 9 divided by 5 by 9, 5 by 9 into 9 by 2, 9 9 cancel, 5 by 2, very good. 2 by 9 into, okay, 9 by 5, 9 9 cancel, 2 by 5. These are equal or not equal? Yes, not equal. 5 by 2 is not equals to 2 by 5. So what we are observing here? Yes, commutative property is not applicable under division. So here closure property is applicable under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Commutative property is applicable under addition and multiplication, not applicable under subtraction and division. Are understand? Yes. Now associative property. Now we shall discuss associative property. Now we shall discuss associative property. Associative property. This is the important, most important associative. How? A plus B plus C. We are also taking here three numbers. A plus B plus C. We are also using here bracket is equals to A plus B. We are also using these two numbers having bracket plus C. A plus bracket of B plus C is equals to bracket of A plus B plus C. This is the called associative property. Now we are also checking under addition. Under addition, we can take three rational numbers. Any three rational numbers. We can take any three rational numbers. Any three rational numbers. 6 by any 11. Okay, 5 by 11. 4 by 11. As you like. Don't worry. We can take any three rational numbers. 6 by 11, 5 by 11, 4 by 11. Now we are also checking 6 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 4 by 11. How much? 6 by 11. First of all, we are also adding in bracket of 5 by 11 plus 4 by 11. How much? 9 by 11. 9 by 11. 9 by 11 plus 6 by 11. 15 by 11. Okay. Now second bracket. Second one. 6 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 4 by 11 is equals to 6 plus 5, 11 by 11 plus 4 by 11, that implies 15 by 11. These are the equal. Sorry. These are equal. What do you have observed here? Yes, very good. Associative property is applicable under addition. Now we are also observing here under subtraction. Same way. Please just wait. No problem. 6 by 11. Okay. Minus 5 minus 4, 1 by 11. So your answer is 5 by 11. 6 minus 5, 1 by 11 minus 4 by 11. So 1 minus 4 minus 3 by 11. What do you have observed here? Not equals to. Yes. Associative property is not applicable under subtraction. Very good. Now multiplication. Same way. Tell me. 6 by 11 into 20 by 11 is 121. Okay. Now 120 by 11 into 121. Clearly multiplication. ठीक है. 121. Everybody knows 11 cube 1331. 1331. ठीक है. Now here 6 5 are 30 by 121 into 4 by 1. So 120 by 1331. So these are two equal. Yes. Associative property is applicable under multiplication also. Now under division. Now we are also checking here 6 by 11 divided by 5 by 11 divided by 4 by 11. Just we will check 6 by 11 divided by how much here? Everybody knows 11 cancel हो जाएगा. Okay, 5 by 4 आएगा. Yes or no? Just we will check 5 by 11 into 11 by 4. So 11 cancel. 5 by 4. 6 5 are 30. 11 4 are 44. Now 6 by 11 divided by 5 by 11 divided 4 by 11. 6 by 11 by 5. So 6 by 5. 6 by 5 divided by. Okay. Next one 4 by 11. So what do you have getting answer? 6 by 5 into 11 by 4. So 66 by 20. These are equal or not equal? Not equal. So associative property is not applicable under division. What do you have observed here? Closure property is applicable under addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Very good. Next, commutative property is applicable addition and multiplication, not applicable subtraction and division. Is also same. Associative property is applicable under addition, multiplication, not applicable under subtraction and division. Next, last property, distributive law. distributive law, most very very important law, distributive law. Distributive law, very simple. You can take any three rational numbers. You can take any three rational numbers. We can take any three rational numbers. A by B, okay, C by D, E by F. What is the distributive law? Just we have observed here. A by B bracket C by D plus E by F. Here multiplication in bracket plus A by B in bracket of C by D plus E by F is equals to A by B into C by D. First of all, these are multiplication. Next, these two multiplication. A by B into C by D plus A by B into E by F. A by B into C by D, that is called AC by BD plus AE by BF. Understand? Very good. Now just we are also giving one example. Simple example. Simple, very simple. X in bracket Y plus Z. Simple, very simple example. X in bracket Y plus Z is equals to distributive, means bantna, X into Y. Here also using symbol plus, so plus, and X into Z. For example, we are also using here negative symbol. Just we are also using negative, X into Y minus X into Z. This is called a distributive law. Okay, tomorrow we will meet the same time.